and welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we will be discussing about JavaScript. At the end of this video, you will be able to define JavaScript, state the advantages, disadvantages of JavaScript, analyze the use of syntax, statements, variables, data types, operators, and events in JavaScript. JavaScript is a client-side, interpreted, object-oriented, high-level scripting language. JavaScript is called as a client-side program because the computer runs the program that are passed in the computer when the browser is on. JavaScript is a dynamic scripting language that executes within a browser. The script tag is used to embed JavaScript code in HTML code. Advantages of JavaScript. Speed is one of the prime advantages. Comparatively simple to learn and implement. Can be easily incorporated with other languages. Can be used in enormous applications. As it is client-side, reduces the need on the website server. Disadvantages of JavaScript. In some cases, the code can be misused when it is executed in the user's computer. While considering the server-side scripts, it always produces the same output. The client-side scripts can be erratic. Syntax. JavaScript syntax is the set of rules by which we know how JavaScript program can be constructed. JavaScript program can be written within the script tag. In JavaScript, statements are the instructions that are to be executed by the web browser. The following code illustrates the use of statements. Here, the statement instructs the browser to write "Hello Programmer" inside the HTML element with ID equal to demo. Document.getElementById demo.innerHTML is equal to "Hello Programmer." Variables. JavaScript variables store the data values. Following example illustrates the variables usage. Variable number 1 is equal to 15. Variable number 2 is equal to 16. Variable number 3 is equal to number 1 plus number 2. Now, we can say that number 1 stores the value 15, number 2 stores the value 16, and number 3 stores the value 31 by adding number 1 and number 2 values. Data types. JavaScript variables can hold numerous data types. There are two kinds of data types, primitive and non-primitive data type. String, numbers, booleans, undefined, null are under primitive data type. Array and object are under non-primitive data type. Operators. Operators operate on one or two or more than two operands. Following operators are supported by the JavaScript. Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical or relational operators, conditional or ternary operators, bitwise operators, type operators. Events. Event is an action that handles the interaction between HTML and JavaScript. There are various types of events like page loading, button click, key pressing. Let us have a quick overview on what we have learned in this video. JavaScript is a client-side, interpreted, object-oriented, high-level scripting language. Statements are the instructions that are to be executed by the web browser. JavaScript variables store the data values. There are two kinds of data types, primitive and non-primitive data type. Operators. Operators operate on one or two or more than two operands. Event is an action that handles the interaction between HTML and JavaScript. Now, you are familiar about the JavaScript language. Thank you for watching.